big news coming in from Telangana. The KCR government has now decided to prioritize vaccination of those students who are due to go abroad for their further studies. In fact, the Telangana cabinet has now decided to vaccinate the students going abroad for higher education on priority basis based on their admission letters. The cabinet has instructed the medical and health department to prepare guidelines in this regard. Remember, apart from Telangana, of course, every state in India currently, students, many of them wanting to go abroad on priority. They've got their admissions, their letters, aren't able to go without the vaccine. They've got to get both their jabs, and finding a vaccine has now become a task. And here is the Telangana government prioritizing these students who are going to be studying abroad. Quickly cutting across to Ashish. Ashish, a good move by the Telangana government. What's the reaction from the student community?
Yes, indeed, a very good move and a very proactive move also we can call it, Nabila. Remember, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana sends maximum number of students to abroad for higher studies. Telugu students are there in US and several other countries, and they prefer higher studies in these foreign lands. And considering that now Telangana government has decided to in fact prioritize all these students who have taken admission, who have document of admission in any of the foreign university, and they are facing vaccine crunch. Now yesterday on Sunday, Telangana Chief Minister held a cabinet meeting. In that cabinet meeting it was decided that government will prioritize vaccination of all these students. They need to submit or they need to furnish their admission document. Based on that document, the government is planning to prioritize vaccination of all these students. State Health Department have been instructed by the Chief Minister to chalk out proper guidelines and plan. So clearly the Telangana government is proactive and considering the speedy vaccination for all those students who are planning to go to abroad for higher studies, Nabila.
Right, Ashish, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're hoping that other governments also take cue